to me, this is a natural way to go. We want to find that talent. We want to bring those people in to show what they're capable of. So to me, this is a natural way to do it. I'm not doing this to change the world. I'm doing it because I believe it's the right way to go. You've got to start somewhere and drive that. And I think definitely as you build that momentum, have more people, as new candidates come through looking for roles, they're looking around to see people like themselves. And so the more of those people we can have physically here, the more it's going to attract the right kind of people. So I'm excited to see the kind of people coming through. I remember back in the day going to a Microsoft conference. This is way back in the 1990s in a different country. And there was one woman that attended that whole conference, and that was the keynote speaker's wife that came through for dinner. So that was pretty rough, and you look around and it's not really representational of the real world. Now, back in the day, engineering was seen as some, particularly computer science was seen as some kind of, specialist skill. I think computers now are ubiquitous. So, the more we have that diversity, the more those people are going to become the leaders, the more balanced world it creates. I'm an immigrant to this country, and I have a pretty diverse background myself in terms of, I don't fit neatly into a particular box. And, also bringing my kids over, they really notice, they didn't grow up here, they speak funny, although only for about 3 months they picked it up like that. So, I think it was really present for them in terms, really at the forefront, really noticed, you think you speak English and therefore you're going to fit right in. And so it's very much been a personal experience of, just how do you tie into some of these communities? How do you fit into certain work environments? So I feel fairly privileged to have been able to come over and work over here and have that experience and be accepted by my peers and people I work with. And it just makes me very cognizant that there's lots of other people around like that I want to be able to create that experience for and welcome them into this kind of environment. My name's Tim Goodwin. I'm CTO at Vacasa, and I did something about diversity in tech.